What we're going to look at here in these little ones is how we can make the website do things other than just show pictures and just show text. So what I've got here is a simple little website that's going to do some adding up for me. So in the first box I'm going to put in the number 12, and in the second box I'm going to put in the number 13, and I can click here and it should tell me the answer of 12 plus 13 is 25. So it's a simple little program to do some addition. To make this program I need to do some work in HTML, which I've already done, and some work in CSS, which I've already done, and I now need to add to the mix the third part, which is a language called JavaScript. JavaScript is the one that allows me to do things like what happens when I click on buttons, do calculations, because this is a calculation, it's actually added these two numbers together, and have different ways of putting things on the screen. So I'm going to start by opening up Dreamweaver, and I'm going to go File and New, and I want a HTML. I don't want to use a bootstrap, just want to keep it blank. Bootstrap is when it puts a lot of the content in for you, which can be quite complicated. We want to keep it quite simple. So click on Create, and it comes up and it's put some information in here for me. One of the problems, of course, is this is all quite small. It's quite difficult to see. Because we're going to start doing some more complicated typing, one of the things you can do is go to Edit and Preferences, and what you're looking for is the Source Code Pro. And if I click that up to something bigger, so say 20, and apply, it actually has now made the text on the screen appear a bit bigger. So hopefully that'll be a little bit bigger to see. So click Apply on that and click Close. I'm going to rename the title of the document to Simple Addition, which I'll spell right, and I'm going to File and save that, so Save As. I'm going to put that into my, if I can find it, my Year 8 Building a Website folder. I'm going to call this same thing, I'm going to call it Simple Addition, and save. It seems like I've already got one called that, but that's okay. So now, and if I want to see that, I can go to Split View, and at the moment, of course, there's nothing there to see, because at the moment I've got nothing in here at all. So go back to Code View, and all I've got is I've saved this, so Simple Addition appears up here. I've created some HTML, and all I've done so far is put a title on there.